that your new toy? Where's the toy? Buck is going to try and take your toy. You better protect it. He's like, I don't understand. Is that your snake? Is that your snake? Play with the snake. What? Sure, now you're not going to do it. You're going to fight over the snake? Oh. That's going to get really annoying really fast, Larry.